This video walks through how to use virtual audio cable to combine your microphone and your computer audio into one line for transcription with BastionGPT, allowing you to instantly transcribe your telehealth sessions and then use the results with the BastionGPT assistant. Assuming you've already set up your account at BastionGPT.com, go to vac.muschenko.net. Go to the download page. Download whichever full version you prefer. The light version below only allows for a single cable, but you'll need 3, so download the full version. After it's downloaded, install it onto your device. The install may pause for a bit during installation. Just give it a few moments to complete. Your system may automatically set default audio playback and recording devices to the newly installed ones. This is completely reversible, but audio may not play from your devices until you complete the next few steps. Open the virtual audio cable control panel as an administrator by right-clicking, then selecting Run as Administrator. In the top left, under Driver, you'll see a place to create more audio cables. If you've attempted to do this before or encountered errors, you may need to click Restart Audio Service before you can make any changes. For our purposes, we'll need a total of 3 lines. Change the number from 1 to 3, then click the Set button. You should now see the 3 virtual audio cables listed below. Open the Audio Repeater MME app, not the KE. Within Audio Repeater, set the Wave In to line 1. Below that, set Wave Out to your preferred real output device. For me, that's headphones. In the bottom right of this window, click Start. If it started successfully, you'll see green bars appear below the Wave In and Wave Out selections you just made. You should now be able to hear any audio playing from the device you just chose. Go back to the virtual audio cable control panel. At the bottom of the window, click Audio Properties. This will open your computer's sound utility where all installed audio devices, whether real or virtual, are listed. Mine's already selected, but you may need to click on the Playback tab. Scroll through and find the line 1 that you created earlier. If it's not already the default playback device, right-click and select Set as Default Device. Next, at the top of the same window, go to the Recording tab. Find the mic you'd like to use and double-click on it to open its Properties window. Go to the Listen tab and check the Listen to this device checkbox. From the drop-down below Playback through this device, select Line 2. Click Apply to apply your settings, and then OK to close the window. Still on the Recording tab, find and double-click Line 1, opening its Properties window. Go to the Listen tab, and check the Listen to this device checkbox. From the drop-down below Playback through this device, select Line 3. Click OK. Still on the Recording tab, find and double-click Line 2, opening its Properties window. Go to the Listen tab. Make sure the Listen to this device checkbox is checked. From the drop-down below Playback through this device, select Line 3. Click OK. If Line 3 isn't already the default communications device, right-click and select Set as Default Communications Device. Line 3 is now capturing the audio from both your mic and the sounds your computer plays, like the audio from your telehealth patient. You can now easily use BastionGPT's AI Scribe by going to the Transcription page and clicking Record Live Audio. With BastionGPT, in a single step, you can export not only the transcription, but if you choose an option here, you'll also automatically get soap notes, a summary, or a custom prompt of your own.